बहुत कम लोग ये जानते हैं कि ग्लोबल अवार्ड का जो थीम है ये म्यूजिक ये अनामिका जी ने ही किया है. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for the immense contribution.
Good evening, everyone, and very, very welcome. It's a great event to be here today, and I'm honored. Thank you, Saira, first, Smita, and all of you here. Thank you so much. All I want to tell you is that besides my music, I am working towards women empowerment in rural area in Haryana, because there they really need a lot of education about how to keep themselves clean and hygiene and you know how to stay a little strong, because you don't know, a lot of us don't know that the child abuse is really bad in those areas. So I'm working with a friend of mine who's also here today, Neelam Saxena, and we're trying to actually go into houses and work with the children and actually telling them that, you know, you be careful when people try to touch you in different places. So what Deepika said it very rightly, हमको अपनी सोच बदलनी है. So I think सोच बदलने से everything can happen. Not only women can do it, men can do it too. So today I want to thank all those men in my life that made me the woman that I am today. So happy Father's Day to all the daddies, good or bad, okay? People have come up with these fancy thing called #MeToo. I have struggled as a woman in this Bollywood industry for a very long time, but we couldn't come out with it. The only good thing now that we have the media, we have the sources, people are coming out with it. But that, I think every woman struggles. But the thing is that agar sab men apni soch badal le from the beginning, and that mothers can teach them, okay, and so would a sister. So I think every mother and sister in the house has to change that soch. So let's give it up for all those lovely men also in our lives. Thank you for all being here today.
Thank you so much. And can we have the music, global theme का music जिसे आपने किया है? We are having it right away. Can we have that music?
So I composed this song for women. It's basically to create peace in the world, and women can also create, on a lighter note, women can also create war, okay? Let me tell you this. We're gonna make this world a peaceful place. We're gonna make this world a peaceful place. We're gonna take it up for heaven's sake. We're gonna take it up for heaven's sake. We're gonna touch the sky. We're gonna fly so high. We're gonna make this world a beautiful place. We're gonna touch the sky. We're gonna feel so high. We're gonna make this world a great place to stay. We're gonna make this world a peaceful place. We're gonna make this world a peaceful place. So to all the lovely women here who've actually achieved a lot in their lives and are here today to receive the awards, many congratulations, and thank you so much, all of you, the team. Thank you.
अनामिका जी, हम FM पे कई बार आपके पॉप के गाने अभी भी प्ले करते हैं. People love your tracks, and we would love to hear one more from you. Come on, put your hands together.
Okay, this one song you can sing along with me, okay? कहीं करता होगा वो मेरा इंतजार, जिसकी तमन्ना में फिरती हूँ बेकरार. As Smita said in the beginning, why are we single? So someone asked me this question, are you still looking for Mr. Right? I said, yeah, I am, but meanwhile I'm having fun with the wrong ones. Yeah, so let's have a great evening. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
So I'm very grateful to be here today for the International Women Achievers Award, and it goes without saying that the women are born empowered, and they are the best mothers and the daughters and the wives and so on. And the only thing that I would like to say that I want to give, each one of us should give strength to each other and have this world a beautiful place. So to all the women today, great show and great event by all of you. Thank you. Great event, and happy Father's Day to all of the fathers and, you know, all the men in the world. Thank you. I would also like to congratulate Dr. Yusuf for launching this lovely app today as the DYK for the medical health. And I think it's a great app for everyone to enjoy and the services and stuff. So good luck, Dr. Yusuf.